Guys, welcome back to the SCT200 build, and this has got to be one of the coolest parts of the build, is actually putting new wheels and tyres on the car. We've spent a bit of time thinking about this, researching it, working out what the best rubber and wheels we're going to put on are. And guys, with no further ado, here's the new Signature Campers 200 wheels and tyres. As you can see, what we've actually gone for is a Tuff. It's a gunmetal grey wheel. With a fake bead locker, but black lip on the outside. I just think it really looks really cool with the rest of the car. Different colour than what a lot of the other car. Everyone else seems to be going black wheels or standard on a white car. We just wanted something different. I think it looks really cool and sort of mixes in well with the chrome and different colours on the car. And then for the tyres, we've actually got a muddy. So I've run muddies a lot, and previously I've had the BFGs, the KM3s, I've had KM2s. We've also run Mickey Thompsons in terms of the mud terrains on the Mickeys. Mickeys go great, they've lasted really, really well. I've had mixed feelings about the BFGs, the KM2s and the KM3s. KM3s, I've done Cape York trips on both of those, and good traction, but they wore really quickly. Heard good things about the Maxxis Razor MT. Had a mate that actually had them on his FJ, and he reckoned they were pretty good bit of kit. Didn't make too much road noise, so price-wise, they're actually quite affordable. They're a bit cheaper than your Mickey Thompsons and your Coopers, and most importantly, they're actually available. So in the middle of this massive shortage of everything, there was next to no supplies of Toyos. We looked at the Toyo hybrids, at your Mickey Thompsons, which was sort of the first preference at the very start, and your Coopers. So we thought, oh, what the hell with it? We'll go with the Maxxis. We'll try them out. And I got to say, first probably about 2,000 Ks in of playing around with them, and they're pretty good. Pretty happy with them. Heaps of traction in the wet. Big car, obviously, so we're running much bigger tyres. Good traction off road, and yeah, I reckon they've been so far a cracking wheel, but time will tell, and we'll see how it goes through the use of it. So next part of the build is we're going to look at doing some interior stuff. Rear bar still got to go on, and a few other bits and pieces, but yeah, it's coming along very, very nicely. So thanks for watching, guys, and let us know your thoughts on it and what you'd do differently.